Hey, Pebbles of the world, this Flame Potato 101 here. And today, actually, yesterday I just got a fidget spinner. And today we're going to be doing the Escape Fidget Spinner hobby. I see that. Oh, I thought that was solid. Yeah, but there's going to be a twist to this. Since I just got my fidget spinner, I'm going to be playing the hobby one-handed with a fidget spinner in my hand while it's spinning. So, sorry if I do terrible at this. Life's secrets are at the end of this hobby. It's actually pretty easy. Not gonna lie. Just keep on jumping. No. Oh, I like how it does this. I'm gonna switch hands with my fidget spinner. No, I'm gonna switch hands again and spin it again. Because that was a terrible hand switch. It was wet for the worst. We're going back in. Switching my hand again. I'm sorry that you can't see the fidget spinner, but it's basically like a bunch of different colors. And I'm spinning it right now. I'm gonna be applying this head. So first I was gonna be like, let's play some epic mini games while playing with a fidget spinner. But then I'm like, wait. Like, I was just looking through the Roblox games, and I'm like, wait, Escape Fidget Spinner hobby? I'm gonna do this with my fidget spinner. No, spin it! Spin! Spin! There. No, spin! Spin! God, how many spins does it take? Most people would probably go on the, like, flat part with that, but I'm like, no, rip. And you'd actually hear me good, because there's no sound on this game. First fail. Fidget spinner. What is this? 200! Wow. This is just bad. This is just bad. Wow, there's a lot of bendies. Spin it again. And yes, if it stops spinning, I can't just hold it in my hand. I have to spin it. That's what it's called. Fidget spinner. Bendy. 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 Let's get up. Let's get close and personal here. I'm not using this fidget spinner for this. Yeah, I'm not sure what I was gonna say. I like your video game. Okay, Bendy. Bendy, I like your video game. It's cool. That's all I gotta say, bye. This is actually a really good way to do this. To do these parts. Oh. You have to not touch the ground. That would probably have been better to know. Oh, I have to spin it. It's your fidget spinner. At the end of this hobby, I'm going to be going through a gigantic fidget spinner. It's going to be awesome. It's a blue one. I'll show you. That guy's just totally. No, it's a red one. I thought it was blue. Oh, okay. It's red. Ooh, this one's gonna be hard. Okay. Back to spinning. Yeah, this one's gonna be hard. Yeah. Just some fancy handwork. No fancy footwork, only fancy handwork. Yeah. Everyone else is just doing this hobby normally. Oh, there's another Bendy. One sec. Hey, Bendy. Like your video game. Oh, there's actually something if I go like this. Be Bendy. Which is this. Okay, what? No, I did that last part without the fidget spinner. One sec. I need to go back. I was right here. Okay. Or I might have been on the blue one. I don't care. No, I have to do it again. Did it do with the fidget spinner? Okay, so it's right here. Whoa! Yeah. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, so right here. There. Yes! Now these are gonna be alright. That boo. Wow. No, I failed. It's terrible. It's not happy. It's terrible. Yes! Ooh, I'm at the edge of the block. Will I make it? I did. Oh, did I hit that? I'm scared. Did I hit that? I need to say something. Did I do that? Hit checkpoint 18. I'm gonna jump off the edge and see where I respawn. Okay, I respawned right here. Okay. Back to fidget spinning. And fidget spinners are literally taking over the world. Like, I'm not kidding. Or at least where I live there. Cool. That's gonna be hard. Which is why I'm gonna be doing it with the arrow keys. Dang it. I'm trying to spin this thing. Yeah, I'm using the arrow keys right now. The arrow keys are probably better for these, like, for these ones. If you're only using one hand. Oh, are those popsicles? They look like balls on a stick! Sorry, that sounded really wrong. Just gonna keep going like nothing happens. No! There's so many bendies on this map. There's like at least 4, which is so many to me. Getting back there again to where he fails. Yes. Yes! Oh! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You gotta go like that now? Okay, no wait, I'm doing this. I figured out a new way of awesomeness gaming. I don't know. Oh! Help! I tried to do the awesome way, it didn't work. Oh. Oh, yeah. That was a 2D bender. Now we have to actually jump on the balls. Oh, I know it's not spinning. I need to go back. Okay. Spin the fidget spinner. Spin the fidget spinner. I think I'm doing pretty good at this. Pretty good. Pretty good. Well, I'm just doing this sideways right now. No idea what's gonna come. Oh, man. Oh, this is easy. This is easy. I'm not even stopping. Seriously, I'm pressing W the whole entire. No, okay, okay, yeah. I would fall off the turn. X is respinning. These are lily pads. Pads. No! Whew. That was close. I'm going back to the WSD. Spinning! Gee, that was tips? Why'd you need tips as the army? It's like, oh, you need to jump here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and out, and then you have to jump here and automatically complete the army. Of course. I'm gonna do something that I call camera trick. Get to see which one's solid and which one's liquid. No! I'm not even fidget spinning for this one. So I have to fidget spin. Ready to spin. Okay, so it's red. Red again. And then this! Yay! I thought there was a gigantic drop, but there is into the abyss. Nope. I thought you had it. Hey, once again, Bendy. I'm back. I've seen you a lot of times. Does this mark like 10 and stuff? No, I'm on 32. I was wondering if the bendy marked like 10, 20, 30, 40, and like all of them. This one. Yep. How did I not die there? Nope. This one's gonna be terrible. This one. Then no! Just gonna walk in a straight line. This is gonna be my strategy. Freaking walking in a straight line. No! I hate these. Actually really easy, so. Actually really easy, so I shouldn't hate them. But I do. They're annoying. It's jerky. I actually guessed on the last one. Badly bop. Bop 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 badly bop bop bop. Why is there red things? Well, I just did this whole entire part without fidget spinning. I need to go back. And this part. Let's do this part without. I don't know what that was. should be something that's B Bendy and then B Boris. And it's just like, Bendy gets all the love. You know, Boris. Not again. I'm just gonna go around this side. These weird ball things are we are going on next. Hey, yokes. Yoke. Yo. Okay, man. Fidget spinner, stop spinning. Taking a different approach to this. Fidget spinning. It's fine. Fidget spinning. Harder than I thought it would be. Why did I just go randomly shooting up into the freaking air? Yes! Oh, these are the pathways. At first I didn't see this. I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Then I saw it. I'm like, oh, it's an invisible password. I still have a lot more to go. Time to get busy. It'd be way easier if I was just doing this without even without the fidget spinner. This thing goes so slow and easy. Oh wait. Ugh, leap of faith. Leap of faith. Balls. I'm just doing leaps of faith. I don't know where I'm going, but hopefully it's good. Oh my god. I just did that by guessing. I had no idea. Whoop. Hey, whoa. Oh, I forgot Bendy's there. Hey, Bendy. Sorry, I'm leaving. I have to finish this obby. Oh, what is this? Okay. These are easy. What if, like, right as I said these are easy, they just start going up and down, and I'm like, what? That would be awesome if they started going up and down. Lego bricks. Circus. As the Triforce. Link, I'm here. Or I'm just dead. Oh, I'm so close to finishing this stupid hobby. Now, it's not stupid, it's just I came up with this idea, and then I did it, so... There's just something on the side, this is Magical Unicorn, and I really want to click on it, just to see how much it costs. Magical Unicorn. probably gonna get a magical unicorn at the end. Like, seriously. Fishies! Georgie the Fry is something that me and Smasher made up. In our spare time on video games. I don't even want to look how close we are. We're probably really close, so I kind of want to look. No! What the freak? Oh, we're so close, mate. I don't know where I came from. We're here! I can't really do that. I got resurrected! Yeah! Ooh. Climbing up the beanstalk! How am I climbing up the beanstalk right now? Wait! The final stretch! Into the that's a... Wait, that Ferris spinner is all different colors! Okay, I'm gonna challenge myself and do it like this. Hello, fidget spinner. Oh, it ate me. Oh. That was quick. I didn't even get to run into its mouth. So yeah, I finished the obby. Oh, you literally get nothing. It's just winners. Why? Okay, well, I guess I finished this obby. Escape Ben 10 obby. It's another obby. But yeah. Well, remember to like and subscribe to me. No. Give me back. Let me get back. No. Remember, this is me right now. Remember to like and subscribe to me. Flame Potato 101 here. Flame Potato 101. I was about to do my intro. Smasher Masher and Gentle No No. And make sure to have a good day. Oh, someone's coming into my mouth. I hate them. So remember to have a good day, and also fidget spinners are really fun, so if you want to try this for yourself, go to a shop or a mall near you. Probably if you go to a mall, they'll have it there. Which is what I did. So, bye, Pepples of the world!